The first thing we need to do to get navigation working in a Zend 2 application is to update the application's module config.php. That is inside the application module underneath the first config folder. So if you open that, there's already some information out here. And if you remember, this is where we also updated the index route or the home URL route to point to our book controller list. If we scroll down in that file, we're going to get to a section that defines the service manager. And in here, we can set up a navigation factory. And Zend provides a default navigation factory that's going to do the bulk of our navigation stack work for us. So we need to create a factories element, which is the first section in our service manager, and we need to give it the Zend default navigation factory. And this is what that entry looks like. This sets this up so that we can actually keep track of our navigation needs. Once we've added the default navigation factory, we also need to add some configuration in here for our sitemap. So above the service manager, I'm going to go ahead and paste in our sitemap navigation for our book list. The sitemap is given a key of navigation, and it's a hierarchical list of our site and how we navigate around in it. Now this is kind of a manual way to add a sitemap to Zend. It's not going to automatically pick up your controllers and views and map that for you, but it does give you fine-grained control over exactly how you want your breadcrumb trail to look as you're within specific parts of the application. So as you can see, we have a home route, and we also have a book route with some nested CRUD operations, such as the add, edit, and delete on our book controller.